Hello, Sushi Pink here to tell you the sad news. Carroll Spinney, my favorite puppeteer, has passed away from dystonia. He's the one who voiced Big Bird and Oscar the Grouch and puppeteered them. I really miss him so much, and the way how he entertains all the kids, teens, and adults in many ways. I really enjoy the friendliness and the kindness and even caring to everyone around, making everyone so happy to see you. I especially love Big Bird so much in my childhood times because he makes the show fun. He makes me laugh, and the way how he sings very well. Carol, I love how you did the voice of Big Bird and how you sing very well. I miss you so much. I really wish I could meet you one day, but now that you're in heaven, it's making me feel very sad. I know you're a very caring person, not only about the race, religion, or skin color, but also about the people with disabilities such as Asperger's syndrome, autism, cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, and many more. Well, I do enjoy your entertainment, and I always keep you in my prayers. And in my dream, I would like to be puppeteering, and I could really be the next person to puppeteer a character with Asperger's syndrome one day. Thanks, Matt Vogel, for doing the puppeteering of Big Bird since 1997 till now and doing well for the show. And thanks to you, Carroll Spinney, for everything in the life. I would like to tell you how much I love Big Bird a lot, especially seeing him at the Universal Studios Singapore with other Sesame Street characters. I love to give Big Bird a hug, and I love to dance and do everything with him. Such a fun way. So I'd like to say goodbye.